Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. In previous class, we have discussed about the globe, a model of the earth, and earth is like a ball. And also we have discussed about the oceans and the continents. Today we are going to discuss about directions on the globe. So whatever the shown picture, this picture shows the north and south pole. So pole means edge point. So which edge point is in the north side? That edge point called the north pole. And this one is the north pole. Which edge point shown in the south? That is the south pole. Based on this poles, can you see the directions? On the earth, this is the east direction, west direction, north direction, south directions. So in that forms of these directions, we have news. We have four directions: north, east, west, south. That directions are called the news also. And the earth rotate every day from the west to east. Let us discuss the lines on the globe. Have you ever seen the lines on the globe? Whenever you watch the globe, on the globe you have seen the lines. That lines are called the latitude lines and longitude lines. Which lines are the parallel lines and horizontal lines? That lines are called the latitude lines. These all lines are the imaginary lines. So the which imaginary lines that are drawn from west to east, that imaginary line called the latitudes, which are drawn from west to east, that imaginary line is called the latitude. And also which imaginary line run from pole to pole, that lines are called the longitude lines. These lines also called the meridians, and these latitude lines also called the parallels. Just you remember the difference between the latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes lines are the parallels, longitude lines are the meridians. These latitude lines are the horizontal lines, longitude lines are the vertical lines. Which lines drawn vertically from pole to pole, that lines are called the longitude. Which line drawn from west to east horizontally, that lines are called the latitudes. So on the globe, some lines run from north pole to south pole, that lines are called the longitudes, and some run from the west to east, that lines called the latitudes. So let us discuss the detail about the latitudes. These latitudes lines we are drawn horizontally, and these are the parallel lines. So on the globe, the longest line drawn from the west to east, that line called the equator. From the equator, the earth has divided into two half parts. That one, north and south. So north half part from 0 degree latitude to 90-degree latitudes, means North Pole. So here 23.5-degree north is also called the Tropic of Cancer. At the same way, 23.5-degree south is called the Tropic of Capricorn. So these Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn also separates the zones. Which zones? Here equatorial zone. The equator passes in this between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This zone is the equator zone, and also this 23.5-degree south to 23.5-degree north to 66.5-degree south. So this zone is called the temperate zones. 66.5-degree Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn between zone is the temperate zone. And 66.5-degree north to 90 degrees and 66.5-degree south to 90 degrees called the polar zone. So in this way the zones also divide. Here this is the tropical zone, this one temperate zone, this one polar zone. In tropical zone the temperature is always high. In temperate zone low. In equatorial zone the temperature is high because of the sun rays falling directly on the equator, and also that temperate zone temperature is less compared to the equatorial zone. At the same time, from the equator we move towards the poles, that way temperature has decreased. At the same, both side poles are very temperature recorded very low. So in this way we can know the difference and the lines and how these equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle pointed in the latitude. Okay children, in this way we have learned the lines of latitude on the globe. Okay children, thank you very much.